Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Nursery Rhymes time. Welcome to Nursery Rhymes time. Let's sing, act, and have some fun with these lovely poems. Poem 1, Chubby Cheeks. Top left, girl with chubby cheeks. Look at this cute little girl with chubby cheeks. Let's say this poem together and touch the parts of our face as we go. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, 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 wow, that was adorable. Poem 2, Rain. Top right, child with an umbrella in rain. Look at the rain falling from the sky. Do you like rain? Let's read this cute little poem and enjoy the rainy weather. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop, but not on me. That's why we carry an umbrella, right? Poem 3, Roses are red. Bottom left, girl smelling flowers. Now let's read a sweet poem about flowers and kindness. Can you find the red roses and blue violets? Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Oh, this poem is full of love. Poem 4, Ring-a-Ring-a-Roses. Bottom right, children playing in a circle. Let's play a circle game with this poem. Hold your friends' hands and move in a circle as we say the rhyme. Ring-a-ring-a-roses, a pocket full of posies, add a shoe, all fall down. Oops, everyone fell down? Let's try again. Well done, that was so much fun. You learned 4 sweet rhymes today. 1, chubby cheeks. 2, rain. 3, roses are red. 4, ring-a-ring-a-roses. Don't forget to sing them with actions and smiles. See you next time with more fun rhymes. Bye-bye!